Hi, Doug Stworski for the U.S. Access Institute, LLC. Today we look at one specific element in our lesson series called Accessibility by the Element. That's where we take a quick look at the accessibility requirements and one specific element. We also do a comparison of the different ADA and state access codes and standards. We try to cover it from coast to coast. Remember, our goal is eliminating the confusion and access compliance. So check us out at www.usaccessinstitute.com. Okay, here we go. First, we start with the periodic table of accessible elements. It's not a real table in the access standard sense of things, but hey, we want to make access fun. Next, we look at section 604, and that covers water closets. Then we'll drill down to section 604.4 on seats. The seat height of a water closet above the finished floor shall be 17 inches minimum and 19 inches maximum measured to the top of the seat. Absolutely every access standard agrees with this, except the Fair Housing Act Design Manual. Here it says that the seat height shall be 15 to 19 inches above the floor. There are two exceptions to the 2010 ADA standards on seat height. The first states that a water closet in a toilet room for a single occupant, accessed only through a private office, and not for common use or public use, is not required to comply. But this exception is not in the 2022 California Building Code, Chapter 11B. Exception number 1 in the ICC A17.1 states that a water closet which is adjustable in height by the user is permitted, provided that at least one adjustment setting provides a seat with the range specified in this section. This exception is found only in the ICC A117.1 standard. Exception 2 in the ADA standard says that in a residential dwelling unit, the height of a water closet shall be permitted to be 15 inches minimum and 19 inches maximum above the finished floor, measured to the top of the seat. Therefore, this exception aligns with the Fair Housing Design Manual requirements. There is an exception number 3 in the 2022 California Building Code, Chapter 11B. It states that a 3-inch high seat shall be permitted only in alterations where the existing fixture is less than 15 inches in height. This figure is from the Fair Housing Act Design Manual and shows a raised toilet seat when the water closet is 14 to 15 inch standard height. The figure says when standard low toilets are installed, raised toilet seats and spacers can be added to increase the height from 2 to 6 inches if necessary. Again, that's only in the Fair Housing Act Design Manual. As we've seen, the 17 to 19 inch seat height requirement is pretty consistent across the standards. There is some variation in the exceptions. So that covers water closet seat height requirements. Thanks for watching. And remember that here at the U.S. Access Institute, LLC, our goal is eliminating the confusion and access compliance. Please check us out at www.usaccessinstitute.com.